Hey y'all, welcome to Bagged and Bougie, where luxury meets real life. Today we're going to get into what fits inside my Coach large crystal Jacquard kiss lock. And yes, she is doing the most. I want to show you how big and roomy she is inside, and the first thing I'm going to stick in there is my MacBook. It's a 16-inch MacBook Air, and it fits right inside, as you can see. And then because I like to stay optimistic in life, I'm going to go ahead and throw in a book, even if I don't crack it open every day. Coming right up is my very precious wallet by Louis Vuitton. It is unzipped and we're not doing that, so we're going to zip her right up and drop her right into the bag. Next up is my phone case. Just imagine my phone is inside, and a MagSafe charger that goes with it. These items are by the company BURGA. I will link it below. I'm not gatekeeping on that wonderful item. Next up is my AirPods and my Starbucks gold holiday tumbler with the red top. Super cute. I need to stay hydrated, so I carry water with me everywhere. And then, girl, if you are over 40, you know it is always hot or cold for us. We are burning up or we are cold, and there is no in between. And plus, I am ready for a line dance if it pops off, so got to put my fan in there. And then next is the Marc Jacobs beauty bag. I'm going to go ahead and throw in some MAC lip gloss with lots of sparkles. Then we have my Vaseline. Next up is my cuticle oil. I can't let my cuticles get dry and cracked. Next up is my pill box. If you're over 40, we have medicine for everything. And then get some hand sanitizer because it is cold and flu season. We're not about to get sick. And we have our Fenty Gloss Bomb Stick and Spice Cold. And then we have our MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. Next up is the MAC Honey Love Lipstick. I believe this is the Doja Cat combo, and it don't play. Next is the MAC Stack Elevated Mascara. Every girl needs this. And then we have our Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and Champ Stamp Fantasy, keeping it glossy. And then let's keep our hands moisturized with some La Occitane Shea Moisture Cream. And then next, girl, let me talk about Mercedes. Okay, this key is huge. Like, why in this day and age are we still having car keys, number one? And then number two, having them so big. Coming from a Tesla, this is dramatic. Teslas did not have a key. It was my phone, and now I have to carry this big clunky keychain. But it is cool because it comes with a keychain with a pull-apart Mercedes symbol that goes into the grocery carts. If you're here in Europe, you got to pay €1 usually to rent a grocery cart to go shopping in the store. But this is a little Mercedes symbol that you can put inside instead and get your grocery cart. All right, that's everything in the bag. Now we're putting it inside the kiss lock. As you can see, there's still plenty of room. Next, we got some house keys. Got to get back into the house. And then my badge. If we're going to work, got to have a badge to badge in. This is everything I would bring to work, to include the cutest little pair of Rothy's with the little flowers and the pointed toe. If you're wearing heels to work, ladies, you know, like, our feet are not about to be hurting all day. We're going to switch out into some flats and still be comfortable and cute. And as you can see, even with all of those items, everything fits inside of this bag. It is not overstuffed. It still holds its shape. It is still sparkling, and there is plenty of room left. This is how luxury actually works. It is an everyday bag for work, for play, for a statement, whatever you want to do. I hope you enjoyed this, so make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and follow Bagged and Bougie for more luxury that fits real life. And we'll see you in the next one.